Hi everyone, my name is Anagha and this is Richa, and we are back with another song because there's just so much cringe around that we can't get over it.
I don't think at this point it's any more about the cringe. I think it's just that we are enjoying it.
Okay, so the movie that we have, we don't do movie
good.
reviews.
So the song we've chosen is
uh, In the Night, and I know what it sounds like, and
it is exactly what you're thinking. So the song comes from Khiladiyon Ka Khiladi, which is apparently the fourth installment in the Khiladi series. I don't know why there were four installments for this
which
series.
had nothing to do with each other.
Except for Akshay Kumar being in the series, I think.
Yeah, Akshay Kumar in that period had those long hair and a lot of action sequences.
And a lot of chest hair.
Okay, we don't judge people based on their hair preferences. Back then, hairy chest used to be a trend. Now, clean shaven.
Actually, that is true. I had a few friends who were like, this chest.
If you like chest hair, more power to you, girl.
Yeah. And if you think I'm looking an idiot in this, you're right. I am. So this song is sung by Sumitra Iyer. I do not know any of her songs, so
You know what? I've noticed a trend. All these weird, funky, problematic songs are sung by South Indians.
probably because they don't understand the language enough
That could be.
to be able to turn it down. Or maybe, work is work at the end of the day. You don't judge people by how they work.
Anyways, let's get into this song.
So, song. It's sung by Sumitra Iyer, of course composed by Anu Malik, like the evergreen, really amazing song composer, if you've heard of him. This movie is from 1996. It was the sixth highest grossing movie of 96.
Wow. No wonder.
And the movie has Rekha in her first villain role, apparently. And there's Raveena. And I think at this point it was like Raveena and Akshay Kumar were a thing. Were they?
They were paired together in a lot of movies. Let's leave it at that.
And Rekha is called Madam Maya. Like,
We have covered and we will cover a lot of songs in this series which have men showing untoward attention to women. So just to
flip the narrative around. We've tried to bring in songs where women are also the ones who are
harassing men. So we believe that men harassing women or women harassing men is equally as bad.
I mean, equally problematic. Come on. Anyway, so
let's get into the song.
Okay, the movie is very weird. So this is for some reason I've seen part of this movie, not the entire movie, thankfully.
I've seen the entire movie because set match पे आ रही थी.
यार सेट मैक्स ने ना सबकी जिंदगी बिगाड़ रखी है गंदे से हिंदी मूवीज दिखा दिखा के. That one and that Z Cinema, I think these two, according to me. Anyway, so as usual, there's another song from the 90s, which brings us some problematic.
A lot of problematic concepts which we will talk about as the song proceeds.
So let's start with the song. The cringe factor will go from here to maybe here. Just like my makeup cringe factor is from here to like here.
What are you talking about? I love your chotis.
First, let's go over the sort of background for the movie.
Okay, yeah.
In this case, Rekha's a dawn, and that makes my hair look very weird.
That's okay.
In this case, Rekha's a dawn. She has a sister Raveena who somehow meets Akshay Kumar before he meets Maya, Madam Maya, and they fall in love on a plane, on an airplane. And then somehow, somewhere.
You don't know the first law of Bollywood. The first law of Bollywood is if a hero and a heroine meet at the beginning of a song, they have to fall in love by the end of the song.
That is true. That is true. And everything happens in a plane, okay? Mile High Club.
Akshay Kumar has come to Rekha to get some sort of information from
her about his brother, who apparently has been somehow involved with Madam Maya somewhere. Okay, so getting here, Rekha's looking lovely, but I don't know what she's exactly doing. Yeah, well, I'm going to change that opinion of her with this song.
Okay, so he comes to her house beaten up, and the first thing she does is takes blood off his lips and licks
Because
it.
I'm Edward Cullen's relative. Okay, he doesn't look like he doesn't enjoy whatever is happening. I think the idea of
He's
Rekha
sassy.
romancing Akshay Kumar to me is extremely
Problematic, just like Amitabh Bachchan romancing
Jia Khan.
Nishabd. But are we like? Should we be taking that call? I mean, anyone's free to love anyone.
Yeah, exactly. No, but I'm saying that it was uncomfortable for us to watch. I am not saying it was wrong.
It's all your personal preference as long as
Oh,
both of you
yes,
are
and that's
happy.
the-
Oh my god. Oh my god. Please don't do that. Okay, who on the earth takes a cheese slice on the back of their hand, puts ketchup on, no, chocolate sauce on it.
I'm sorry. He just came out of nowhere.
Okay, is he washing her with milk?
Supposedly supposed to look white. That is all. Ew, no.
I need
That
speed
song.
up.
I didn't want to see the song.
It looks more like she wants to kill him than she
I mean,
wants
why
to.
are they cutting shots between them in the mud and them in the swimming pool? I don't
And them
understand
in the
this.
kitchen.
He just went like,
Let me tear these clothes off. Like it's easier to tear it off than to wash it.
I were not able to concentrate on the lyrics at all because the video is so distracting.
I know, it's so weirdly disturbing. What is happening? This is not even. This is seductive.
How is this seductive playing with the stupid shower thing? Dude, I have curly hair and I've never done that to people. And after subjecting ourselves to the video of the song, I don't know what the lyrics said any at all apart from in the night, no control.
क्या करूं? कुछ तो Okay, so we only have one word for this song.
Cringe fest. I am okay with bad lyrics at this point.
Yeah, that's sort of our profession now. But nothing went for the song. The choreography is terrible. The lyrics are terrible.
The editing is.
Oh, you already censored yourself. Chalo, mera kaam bach gaya. In this song, the lyrics are so like I didn't even hear the lyrics half the time.
Let's try to do this radio style, just hear the song, not look at the song. Maybe it would make a bit more sense. Did she just say tod de ye badan?
Yes.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
There are very few movies from the 90s where we have,
There's something good about the
Yeah.
content of the story of a movie.
yes, and please don't say Suraj Bharjatiya movies or like Hum Saath Saath Hai or Vivah.
Please,
Those are not good
another
movies.
level of cringe. For me, it's this that if a song makes me swear at it, I'm like, no, this is like worse than just problematic.
So yeah, that brings us to the end of the review. Follow us on Instagram. Our handles will be up here. And follow our pets. Their handles will be down in the description. Also, let us know what song we should review next.
So the thing is, we are now organizing ourselves. So we've
We
got
have a
few
calendar
songs.
and everything. So
We have a few songs already that we've shortlisted. But if there are songs that we may have missed, we'll put it up.
other than that, yeah, follow us everywhere. Share this video, like this video. And we really appreciate the dopamine hits, and Richa looks extremely cute.